Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Cole.
Cole. How do you spell it?
C-O-L-E.
Very nice, Cole. How old are you, Cole?
I'm 6.
6 years old. Are you ready for the test today?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Today we talk about colors, right? What color is it?
It's red.
Red.
It's blue.
Mm-hmm.
It's yellow. It's green. It's black. It's pink. It's brown. It's white. It's purple. It's orange.
Very nice. Let's talk about some school things you know. Tell me please, what is it?
This is my desk.
Desk. What color is the desk?
It's orange
And?
and blue.
Very good. What is it?
It's
This?
notebook.
A book.
Book.
What color is the book?
It's yellow.
Yellow. Very good. What is it?
It's pen.
Pen. What color is the pen?
It's blue.
Blue. Very nice. What is it?
It's chair.
Chair. What color is the chair?
It's orange.
It's orange. Thank you very much. Tell me please, what color is our desk? This desk. What color is it?
It's green.
Green. What color is your t-shirt?
It's blue.
Blue. What color is my t-shirt?
It's purple.
Purple. Very nice. Tell me please, Cole, what is your favorite color?
It's
My
my favorite color. It's red.
is red. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Goodbye, Cole.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yeah.